Okay. Hello, and welcome to another video with my funky. Uh, what is called? I don't know what this thing is called actually. So check this out, and it's working. My little remote control, and it's not all the time doing the commutation. Right now I kind of taking time for it. I kind of learn it, but you see, sometimes it's just blip. You see, didn't. Yeah, not all the time, but most of the time, like probably more than 50% is commutating, is creating the. Yeah, the range is absolutely perfect. Yeah, it doesn't want to commutate now. Come on, yeah, like that. I have to keep it a little bit more there for some reason. And yeah, this is a remote control made from cardboard and matchsticks and 2 batteries and a PIC microcontroller 12F508. And I managed to program it, and thanks to Mr. Steve from America, he helped me with a ton of circuitry that we have here, especially the remote control and the sensor. It's his works, and also more than that. But yeah, these two I couldn't make it by myself, and also the shield. He also helped me a ton. So the sensor, I think is I was talking with Mr. Steve about the range, and now at this point, at this moment, it works a little bit like it's a bit more range right now than it was before. Before I was going there, very close to it, but now it's kind of a bit more range, which is cool, is fine, is I love it. Actually, it's that my imaginary sphere like this is kind of like this, the sphere of interaction, and it's good. It's good feeling. Trust me, it is better than I imagine. It is really better than I imagine. The feeling of it, the remote control from the distance, is just wow! It's just wow. This is a bit ugly here. I know, but probably we are not get used to it for now. It will become a thing. It has 4 wires, one plus wire, the minus wire, ground wire. I mean, the S dot. Yeah, I'm near it and it's trembling. I mean, I'm influencing it. My hand is influencing it. Actually, I can do this to show you. So a wire for S.5 for the pin 5 of this LM3914, and another wire to the that little black dot there. That is the sensing transistor, and yeah, it's a bit too sensitive. Yeah, I'm kind of staying in the border of the sensitivity there. But if I'm doing that and that, pack and pack, come on, like that and like that, it's just just sweet as a woman's titties. Is so good. It's so good. And also the remote. The remote again is splendid. It's just splendid. Trust me. If I'm sitting here is from my computer. How is, come on, focus. So if I'm doing this, yeah, it's just fantastic. Just cool as hell. Cool. And also I have another the old remote control built with two 555s, and I put a 3mm LED, infrared emitter LED. This is the 5mm from America, from my friend Mr. Steve, and it's his components, the receivers and the transmitters. These are the transmitters, but this is the 3mm, and it's working fine. I made the test here on the breadboard, and it worked fine with my 3mm. It's a bit probably more directional than this one. This one is kind of the angle. I don't know. I have to put some batteries and make a new remote control from this one as well, because as I promised, and I'm usually keeping my word, I will make two of them. So this is number one, actually. This is number one, and this is number two with the PIC microcontroller in it. Actually, let me, if I can take it out with one hand. Can I take it with? Yeah, I can. And this, yeah. So let me bring the light. So this is the minimalist, extremely minimalist circuit. This is the PIC 12F508 capacitor. There was 100 nanofarads, some resistors, two resistors for two LEDs, for the infrared LED and for the LED that is here when I'm pressing the button. You see, it's lighting that LED. Actually, let me show it to you like this. That is the LED, and this is focusing like shit, but like this. Yes, so that's the LED, and this is how the wiring is all over the place. It's not beautiful at all, but it's good enough. I mean, it's doing the job, and I'm very happy. I've also put a diode there because I have a slightly more voltage from these two batteries, 5.8 or something from them, and I put that diode there to cut the voltage a little bit with 0.7, and it's kind of 5.1 somewhere there. Right now, wireless specs of this PIC microcontroller is very sensitive to voltage. If I'm getting over from 2.2, if I remember, voltage is starting to work towards the 5 point something, 5.5, 5 point something. So yeah, I cannot put it with one hand back, but this is it. Actually, I can hold it like this and show it, if I can, like this. Go on. Yeah. So yeah, come on. Yeah, it is directional. I mean, I have to really point it to that receiver there, but it's doing the job beautifully. I mean, yeah, it's good. It's very good. I really, really like it, and you have no idea how cool it is in reality when you close and open your lights from your remote control that is built by yourself. Well, with a little bit of help, but still by yourself. Exceptionally project. Thank you, Mr. Steve, and we will continue it, because next I will add the beeps, the sound, and hopefully, I'm not very sure right now, but hopefully some motors and some movement. Hopefully I can reach that crazy stage with the movement. I didn't think anything about it. I have no idea how to create any kind of movement and what to move, but maybe I will abandon that movement. We will see. After I will add the beeps, the sounds that will be very close to the finished of this project. Thank you for now, and goodbye, and I have no words to thank you.